I'm gonna go buy a GoPro9 now. How's it going? I got the GoPro 8, you know, so I was thinking to upgrade. Is that a pretty good one?
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, I got mine, so I wanted to test it and everything. I guess the batteries don't interchange, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like the camera. Yeah, I had a couple questions. Okay, I'm Jason. What's your name?
Francisco.
Nice to meet you, Francisco. So how long did you have the GoPro for?
Almost one month.
1 month? And so, does it work pretty good?
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay. So it just comes with the charger and then a couple of these. Okay. And then this is like a selfie stick?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good. This is for the phone?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, yeah, I'll probably buy it then. So, where'd you get it at?
Best Buy.
Best Buy? Okay, cool. Where are you from?
El Salvador.
Oh, really? My friend just went down to El Salvador.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he's from Bangladesh and he lives in Raleigh.
Oh.
And he said that he chose El Salvador because it was open.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
It's hard to find that these days.
Mm-hmm.
So how much do you want for it?
300.
300?
Yeah, I'm paying almost 400.
You paid 400?
Almost 390.
390? And you got it new or used?
New.
So look, is that good? $300?
Yeah.
I think it's a good deal.
Yeah, yeah. Nice.
So when I finished my purchase, $300 for this GoPro. He bought it for like $390 at Best Buy. That was a pretty good deal though, because I thought usually they're $500. But I'll probably use it for a year or two. Who knows? I'm gonna try to sell my GoPro 8 now, so that's exciting. I'll obviously lose some money. I'm reselling my GoPro 8. Probably sell it for maybe $100 less or $150 less. I think I'll sell it for $200. So that's it. I'll be starting to use my GoPro 9. That's gonna be a good deal. I'm excited. So you're here to take one of these?
No, sir. Yeah, she's right. I can't serve you unless you have it on.
Well, I got my own though.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm gonna take Sun Country now to Minneapolis, so I'm gonna head to the gate. Well, I took the tram and now I'm gonna take the escalator up to D50. That's my gate. It's 11 p.m. and people are pretty hungry, I guess. Auntie Anne's is just busy. Yeah, that's fine. Thanks.
First name?
Taro.
Taro, thank you. Hello.
Hi.
Scan card.
How's it going? 14?
14.